Hello and thanks for joining me on the MI Bandit podcast. A nice fun episode here. I'm going to go through a few one-liner motorcycle jokes and I don't know. I don't know what to expect. Let's see what happens. It's... Okay, you ready for the first one-liner motorcycle joke? Let's go for it. Okay, so I'm going to go from the... Okay, you ready for it? It was only when I brought a motorbike that I found out that adrenaline is brown. Oh my. Are you ready for that one? That was number one. Let's go to number two. Ready for number two? That's basically setting the expectation of how they're gonna go. Okay, ready? What do you call... Why is it doing that? Why is it making that noise? 1 minute. Okay, there. Let me get rid of that. Keeps making a noise. I'm sorry. Let me continue. Okay, here we go. Again, thanks for joining me on the MI Bandit podcast. What do you call a laughing motorcycle? A Yamaha. Oh my days. What do you... Give me your best one-liners. I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Okay, let me just... I need to log these. I want to make these as shorts so you guys that missed the full episode can watch it. Okay, ready for the next one? I'm going to go straight into it. Isn't it weird how when a cop drives by, you feel paranoid instead of protected? What? Isn't it weird? Okay. But it depends if you got something to hide or not. I'm normally like, I'm reassured, oh yeah, this guy's on the, you know, they're patrolling or whatever they're doing these days. Eating a donut. Do they do that? And that's probably more an American thing. Oh, okay, this is a good one. Okay, this is an amazing one. I saw a guy on his motorcycle and the back of his shirt said, if you can read this, I can't say this word, can I? BTCH with a star in the middle, fell off. Can I beep this? I don't know if I can do that. Oh my god. Well, yeah, I can, but I don't know. Okay, I don't know if this will thingy. Let me call the title this, so then at least you're not confused of what I'm saying. Okay, and okay, here's another nice one. You ready for this one? Let me change the music and put a bit more intro. Yeah, that's a bit more upbeat music. Okay, maybe. I don't know. I don't know how wild this one is. Okay, so you ready for this one? I had to read it twice there before. So Adam's girlfriend Ruth fell off the back of his motorcycle. I call it a bike, but motorcycle. Okay, well, messed that up, didn't I? Messed that up, mate. And then that bloody noise of the tweet. Okay, here we go. Get rid of that. Let's get rid of that one. Okay, so that's a bit bad. Adam's girlfriend Ruth fell off the back of his motorcycle. He just rode on, ruthless. Oh my day. That was a good one. I did appreciate that. That's like a proper dad joke, if that even exists anymore. What's the most dangerous part? Okay. What's the most dangerous part of a motorcycle? The nut that connects the seat to the handlebar. The nut that connects the seat to the handlebar. What? Can you tell me that? Nut? The seat? What? Are they trying to insinuate the rider? I think. Possibly. Okay. What's the difference between young riders and old riders? Young riders pick a destination and go. Old riders pick a direction and go. Oh yeah. Okay, that's a nice one. And what else we got? Okay, I don't know. Okay, we'll try that. I love my motorcycle. It's great for getting to the front of queues quicker. It does always terrify the other people in the post office though. Oh my days. Okay, I'll give you that. That's not bad. Again, this is a fun episode here today. There's a few more. They are okay. They are drunk bikers. They are old bikers. They are no old drunk bikers. Okay, I like that. That was a nice one. I like that. That's an interesting one. What else we got here? Okay, this is a bit of a long one. The wind was so strong last night, I really struggled to light my cigarette. Eventually, after 20 minutes of trying, I gave in and stopped my motorbike on the hard shoulder. Firstly, I don't smoke, but that's not something you should do. It's probably a vape these days. You don't need a lighter for a vape, so what? Mind boggled. Okay, that was a few. Have we got any more? I'm hoping you guys drop some in the comments because I'd love to see your one line. Oh, there's another page. There's a whole second page. Okay, this is okay. This is a controversial one. Scooters and fat girls are both fun to ride until your friends see you. You're beautiful, fat girls. Don't let this discourage you. Oh my days. Scooters and fat girls. This is the I don't know if I should be. I'll share it. It's all in fun anyway. Winter is nature's way of telling you to polish. Winter is nature's way of telling you to polish. So basically, don't ride. I ride in the winter. I ride all season, every year. I used to ride to work on a motorcycle every year. So, okay, interesting. Other people don't like my queue jumping, especially when I use my motorcycle. Well, you're allowed to jump the queue, aren't you? In the UK, that's called filtering to the start of the traffic, so you're safe, I think. Am I right? Am I wrong? Other people don't like. Okay, interesting. That's a nice one. These are getting, you can tell them on page 2, they're getting a bit more dry now. Oh my days. I don't know if I can say this one. What's the difference between Amy Winehouse and a moped? A moped can make it to 30. Oh my days. That is next level. Okay, I think I'm gonna call that a day. I cannot proceed. Or should I do a few more? Let me do one more and see if there's any. Are there any good motorcycling jokes left in the world anymore? Let's have a quick ganders of that. Okay, I like this one. Did you hear about the mute motorcycle gang? They don't answer to nobody. I don't owe anybody, nobody, nothing. Is that from Paddington 2? That chef that says that I don't owe anybody nothing. Oh, okay. Anyway, back to the point. Ready for the next one? Why should you keep hay in your motorcycle saddlebags? Hay increases horsepower. What? Oh my days. Okay, that was a interesting one, I'll say. That was an interesting one. Okay, that's not bad. What kind of sound does a motorcycle... Okay. What kind of sound does a motorcycle of a pirate usually make? It goes something like... Rum 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 rum. Oh my days. That was a good one. I like that. That can be on the top of the list. I'm sorry. I know I'm having a joke moment on the old... What site is this? Oh, God knows. Okay. Oh my... This one is... Okay, it was too tired. Nah, maybe. What do you call a sad motorcycle? Oh my days. This one's gonna hit you deep. You ready for it? What do you call a sad motorcycle? A moped. Oh my God, that is like intense, man. This is like the guys that don't wave to moped riders. That's as bad as anything. How can you double the value of a Kawasaki motorcycle? Okay, this one is epic. You ready for it? How can you double the value of a Kawasaki motorcycle? Fill it up with gas. Oh dear. This is gonna annihilate some people in the comments. Again, obviously, If you ride a Kawasaki, what are you doing with your life? Okay, what do you call a Harley Davidson with no tires? A groundhog. Okay. What type of sound does a motorcycle do? Okay, this is another nice one. What type of sound does the motorcycle of a witch usually make? Think about it for a moment. What sound or type of sound does a motorcycle of a witch usually make? You ready for it? Broom, broom. Oh my, what type of, oh my god, one more. We're gonna call this, I can go with this all day. I can do this all day long, but I won't. I'm not gonna bore you. If you made it this far, well done. Thank you for joining me today on the old podcast. It's an absolute party. What is Bob Marley called on a motorcycle? What is Bob Marley called on a motorcycle? A Bob Harley. Hey. Oh my. These are getting progressively more dad jokey kind of vibes, and I don't know how many I've done so far. I'll have to put these shorts out every single day for like a year or something. Okay. Why was the tomato rushing to buy himself a motorcycle? Because he wanted to catch up with his friends. Oh right. Why was the tomato running to buy himself a motorcycle? Because he wanted to catch up with his friends. Ketchup. Oh, what was that one? That one was like next level. Okay. Why did the man bring coffee to the motorcycle competition? Okay, I think I got this one. Why did the man bring coffee to the motorcycle competition? He was told there would be donuts. Okay, I think it's gonna be one more. I can't peel myself away from these. Last one, I'm sorry. Please bear with me. Okay. Motorcycle. Okay. Friends, I like motorcycle because I wish I had a motorcycle. I used to be a motorcycle courier. Man, those things are heavy. I used to be a motorcycle courier. Man, those things are heavy. Okay, that's it. I'm going to end it there. Thank you for joining me on this episode. It's been a pleasure. I'll see you on the next MI Bandit podcast here. You can catch up on all the episodes. mibandit.com. Bam.